In order to make sure you have the correct shipping method, what we need to do is something called Postal configuration. Click on Postal config, then click the green Add button on the right. The postal mapping keys will be revealed when you press the I button. Postal mappings provide the abbreviations and codes for all Groupon postal services available in the Groupon connector for Linnworks. The correct carrier code must be selected for postal mapping integration to be successful. Select your Linnworks postal service name and then select the Groupon postal service name that you want to map this to, and then press save. You can repeat this process until you have all of your postal services in Groupon.